Hey guys, Joe here from JAG RC Outdoor Adventures. What's going on? It's been like 4 months since we did a video. We had a really busy summer. We got trucks broken everywhere. Drive shafts, we got shocks busted, we got ESCs busted, melted wires, we got all kinds of junk going on. But finally we had some time to get back into this junk and do a little RCing, and we picked up the new Traxxas Hoss because Aiden and Andrew have been bugging me for months to get this thing. This truck came out about 3 months ago. Traxxas did this truck is like an in-between of like a beefed up Stampede slash Rustler. It's smaller than the MAXX. We'll show you in a size comparison video. I don't know, what do you think, Andrew?
Let's get into it.
Aiden, you guys been waiting. You guys wanted this truck. This truck has some pretty cool stuff on it. It's got beefed up bumpers, front and rear. We got, this truck comes in the 2 colors. It comes in the purple and orange. And then it comes in the green, and we went with the green for this one.
Yep.
It's got ultra shocks with linear springs. It's got the sledgehammer tires, man. These tires look really, really good.
Yeah.
Similar to the Badlands. So I think they'll be pretty good. Integrated wheelie bar. It's got a new integrated receiver box. Supposed to be a little upgraded, a little better. I don't know how it's gonna do for the first run.
Yeah.
After we do this unboxing, we'll be getting a first run video out there to show you guys what this thing could do. So let's get this truck out of here.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's get this thing out of here and see what this thing looks like.
Let's get into it. First up, you got your controller.
Got your controller. Normal controller comes with all the Traxxas trucks. You know what, Andrew? Hang on, let's flip this box down, pull that out.
Woo!
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. That brand new green and blue body.
Looks pretty good.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's we'll go through the bag. You probably get your normal manuals, all that stuff. All that good stuff that Traxxas sends out with these trucks.
Yep.
All right, you got your pieces for your shocks. You got your little tool bag here. You get some awesome Traxxas stickers. You guys can have fun with those. Stick them on anything. Put them on the trucks if you want. We don't really put them on the trucks. You got your top qualifier, controller. You could do the whole setup with your phone if you want. Cool feature that this truck does have is self-righting, just like the MAXX, the X MAXX, eRevo. You got your manual, your book, shows you all stuff you want to do in there. And there's the book for the Traxxas Hoss VXL 4x4. Guys, this truck can run on a 6 or 7 cell nickel hydride battery, or
A 2S or 3S lipo.
which we will be running on lipos.
Oh yeah.
And for our when we first run this truck, we're going to be doing it on, we're going to throw a 2S on there, see what it's like, and then we'll be doing a 3S.
Oh yeah.
Let's rip this body off. I mean, just the appearance of it, guys. I mean, this truck looks stout, really stout. It looks great. Let's grab a MAXX here, and we're going to show you the size comparison up against the MAXX. All right, we'll throw that at you. So it's pretty, it's close. It's not bad. Now the wheelbase is a little shorter. Let's pull up a rustler. All right, we could do a rustler. Actually, you know what, Andrew, grab that Stampede. We'll throw the Stampede on the side here. We're gonna run out of room on this table here real quick, but throw that bad boy right over there. All right, guys, so the Stampede is almost similar in wheelbase. It's a little bit shorter. All right, like I said, those Sledgehammer tires are close to the Badlands.
Yeah.
All right,
very
throw that
close.
one back. Aiden, you want to throw this Max on the shelf there, big guy? You can put that back. The Hoss is looking really, really nice. It's got some nice suspension on it. It's got the black chrome wheels on it. I mean, those are looking pretty good. So this Hoss has some really cool features, Andrew.
Yeah, it does.
This truck has bell crank steering servo.
Right here.
All right. It's got all hex hardware, just like most of the trucks. It's got new heavy-duty drive shafts. I mean, these drive shafts look pretty beefy.
Yeah, they do.
You know, we might break them, probably.
Oh yeah.
I think if these tires get some good traction, you might snap them.
Yeah.
It's got heavy-duty 4mm steel turnbuckles in the back here, guys. So it's another nice feature on the Hoss. You know, you never know if you're gonna break something. Possible. It's got Revo spec differentials, so these dips are really strong. If you want to hear that, that sounds beefy. All right, so this for the center drive, guys, has a torque biasing center drive with steel spur gear in this. All right, a lot of them are coming with plastic. This one's got a steel in it. We'll show you the wheelie bar on the back.
Here it is.
It's pretty nice. It's beefy. It's connected to the back bumper here, so this is all pretty heavy duty.
Yeah, it definitely looks like it.
It looks like it'll put up a little fight. You know what I mean?
And guys, right here on this bumper, there is no adjustment clips, so you cannot adjust this bumper, rather than on the Stampede or another Traxxas RC you can.
And it's got a fan on the ESC, so that's cool. We'll keep the temperatures down when we're running it hot, and we all do that because we like to run big power on them.
Oh yeah.
So, all right, well, I don't know. I just say we charge up some batteries, and we'll see you in the next video. I just want to say thank you to all the people that were messaging us when we were going to do another video. Well, we're coming back at you guys, and we got some awesome stuff coming up. We got some really cool cars and trucks.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, so the next video we're going to be doing is going to be the first run of this Hoss. We're going to be setting this thing outside and bashing, crashing, and slashing this thing and having a little fun with it. We got the track going on in the back. We're going to be working on that in a couple videos coming up. We got some other cars and trucks we're going to be throwing at you. We got a lot of stuff in store for the next few months here, guys, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button.